Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project. Today we're making this quilted eyeglass case. It's a soft-sided case with batting inside and is a great way to use up some of your fabric strips and scraps. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. Or check out my Etsy shop where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with the cutting measurements, the materials lists, step-by-step instructions, color photos, and any printable templates needed. And since it's a digital pattern, you can download it and get started sewing today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric strips, a lining fabric, cotton batting, a walking foot if you have it, and of course the printable template. First, center one fabric strip on the batting diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric strip facing up and pin in place. Secure both sides by stitching 1/8 of an inch away from the raw edges on the long side of the strip. Center a second strip on top of the first with the right sides of the fabric facing together. Align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strip and stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place your next strip on top of the last strip with the right sides facing each other. Stitch along the long edge, again using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the corner of the batting. Then repeat the steps on the other side of the batting piece. Then trim away the excess ends of the strip. I like to flip the piece over so the batting's showing and then use the edge of the batting as a guide for the trimming. Flip the piece back over so you can see the strip side, and then place the lining fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center the template on the top and cut out the entire stack. Remove the template and stitch all the way around the stack using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open at the top for turning. Clip the corners and notch the curves, and turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a sharp crease. Top stitch all around the fabric about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section left open for turning. With the lining on the inside, fold the case in half and press it. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Then stitch around the side and bottom of the case 1/8 of an inch inside the previous top stitching. Back stitch at the beginning and the end of your stitching, and don't sew the top closed. And just like that, just that fast, you have this cute quilted eyeglass case you made from your scrap basket. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.